after a job that leaves lots of metallic debris behind. These parts can be minuscule, but they can also be really hazardous for everyone as they can be quite sharp and can cause serious injuries. So it is crucial to clean leftovers as quickly as possible. And for that, there are dedicated magnetic sweepers that can pick up the metallic scrap with magnetic power. If you are also wondering how to find the best magnetic sweeper, worry not. There are many products available to choose from Best Magnet Sweeper, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best magnet sweeper from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Nico Magnetic Pickup Sweeper. If you are looking for a highly reliable magnet sweeper which is trusted by thousands of users, then the one made by Nico will be perfect for you. The Nico 53418A Magnetic Pickup Sweeper. This is a 36 inches long magnetic sweeper that has wheels at the bottom to make the unit easier to sweep across the floor. The handle of the magnetic pickup sweeper is also adjustable, so that you can make the necessary adjustments to make the unit perfectly usable for yourself. It is also powered by a heavy-duty magnet offering up to 30 pounds pulling capacity. The handle of the Nico 53418A magnetic pickup sweeper also has a quick release function. With the help of that, you can quickly drop all the debris picked up by the magnet in an instant. The expandable handle of the Nico 53418A magnetic pickup sweeper can be adjusted between 29 to 42 inches to offer the right posture for your job. Number 2. Toolwiz Heavy Duty Magnetic Sweeper. The Toolwiz Heavy Duty Magnetic Sweeper is one of the powerful options that we have picked for this list, since it is designed for heavy-duty applications. It has about 50 pounds pulling capacity that can easily lift heavier debris that you would find on a workshop floor. And the sweeper itself is made up of high-quality aluminum, plastic, and iron to offer long-lasting durability. You will also find a quick-release feature on the handle of the Toolwiz Heavy Duty Magnetic Sweeper to quickly release the collected debris. The Toolwiz Heavy Duty Magnetic Sweeper can easily move across various surfaces, whether it is a concrete floor, grass, or carpet. The most interesting part of this magnet sweeper is its handle. This handle, equipped with a comfortable silicone handle, can be adjusted from 30 to 45 inches based on your needs. Number 3. Rofson Rolling Magnetic Pickup Sweeper. The Tuffume Rolling Magnetic Pickup Sweeper is yet another great budget option present on our list of the best magnet sweepers. The Tuffume Rolling Magnetic Pickup Sweeper offers about 30 pounds pulling capacity, which is more than enough for routine metal cleaning tasks, along with a handful of heavy jobs. But the 36 inches white magnetic pickup surface of this surface certainly helps its case when it comes to covering up larger areas in a lesser number of passes. The handle of the Tuffume Rolling Magnetic Pickup Sweeper is also highly adjustable, allowing you to change its length between 30 to 46 inches. Plus, the 7 inches diameter wheels of this magnet sweeper make it an ideal option for various types of terrains. Apart from the handle length, you can also adjust the height of the Tuffume Rolling Magnetic Pickup Sweeper from 0.6 inches to 2 inches for more effective cleaning results. Number 4. Rechabite Telescoping Magnetic Sweeper Pickup Tool. The Rechabite Telescoping Magnetic Sweeper is one of the best options available in the market right now for a budget choice. Even though this unit costs a fraction of what other premium options cost, it is still equipped with a powerful magnet offering 35 pounds pulling capacity. And with the retractable handle length varying from 8.7 to 34 inches, this sweeper becomes an ideal choice for a wide range of applications. Apart from being a powerful choice, the Rechabite Telescoping Magnetic Sweeper is also a highly portable option that you can carry with you for outdoor jobs. You will also find a rubber grip on the top of the Rechabite Telescoping Magnetic Sweeper that makes it a much more comfortable unit for regular use. As for its build quality, you don't have to worry about it, since the magnet used on the Rechabite Telescoping Magnetic Sweeper has a chrome-plated iron base. Number 5. Stream Power Magnetic Pickup Sweeper. The Stream Power's Magnetic Pickup Sweeper is our last pick for this list of the best magnet sweepers. This is also a great pick for the price, and a value for the money choice as well. The Stream Power's Magnetic Pickup Sweeper is equipped with a 24 inches white magnet to clear a lot of area in a single pass while you are using the sweeper. And with the 30 pounds pulling capacity, all general-purpose cleaning tasks are doable with this sweeper. The telescopic handle of the Stream Power's Magnetic Pickup Sweeper is highly adjustable as well as ergonomic to suit the needs of the user. It offers adjustable length and height to make the device easy to use for everyone. It also has highly durable wheels at the bottom to ensure proper working on a variety of terrains. And you won't feel a lot of strain while using the Stream Power's Magnetic Pickup Sweeper, thanks to its finger-grooved ergonomic handle. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.